So these are the four quadrants of Johari window. The open quadrant, known to self, known to others. Blind spot, not known to self, known to others. The hidden quadrant, the personality known to self, the personality not known to others. Then the unknown, not known to self and not known to others. So these are the four quadrants of your personality trait. So I'll be telling you one by one. The open quadrant, that is the area where the personality of an individual, both the individual knows each other's personality. It is a free activity area that includes the public history, behavior, skills, attitude, anything else that is openly shared. Blind spots include not known to others but known to self. That is includes the behavior, tendency, traits that are noticed by the others. The hidden area include that is known to individuals but not shared with others. This might include the personal secrets, feelings, or the past experiences that is not being disclosed by the individual to others. The unknown area, that is the quadrant that contains the information unknown to both the individuals as well as the public. This includes the potential, the latent talent, the subconscious element that has not been discovered or recognized up till date. So these are the four quadrants of the Johari window. Then how it works. This is basically used in groups or workshops where individuals share information about themselves and receives feedback from the others. So this is the concept where the feedback and the workshop is there, where individual shares their information. Johari window can be used there. These is basically used where different quadrants individual can give a deeper understanding of their strength, their weaknesses, their blind spots, as well as they can perceive the others' strength and weaknesses. The goal is to move information from the hidden and the unknown quadrant into the open area, because the things which are, or the personality traits which are ultimately hidden till now, we need to explore those talent and make them aware, others aware about that, and trust in the relationship. So this is why Johari window works. The benefits of understanding the concept is it increases the self awareness about yourself and the others in the team, improves communication in the system, it helps in developing a strong relationship. That means it helps in making open and honest relationship with oneself and the others. Deeper relationship is there. The personal and there is personal and professional growth, because this window leads to a self confidence, reduce anxieties, and a sense of well beingness. Thank you.